Masking tape.
Are you redecorating?
No.
We have 2-inch and 1-inch. But the truly self-respecting handyman will have both in his toolbox.
Of course you will.
It's rare to find a connoisseur these days. Do you want anything else?
Yes. Rope. That's impressive. You Girl Scout?
No, organized group activities aren't really my thing.
So what is your thing?
I don't know, books? Okay, rope, tape, cable ties. You're the complete serial killer.
Not today.
Anything else?
What would you recommend?
For a do-it-yourselfer? Maybe coveralls, so you protect your clothes?
Could just take all my clothes off.
Okay. No clothes. I mean, no coveralls. I can't think of anything else.
Well, I guess that's it then.
Cool.